So it's very interesting how I had to climb, God knows how many feet up here to retrieve my drone. God. So I was flying my drone in the middle of nowhere in the Scottish mountains and backing up the drone got stuck up the mountains. I've been hiking a good 40 minutes from my car, if you can see down there. Yeah, I need to recover this drone, like bad. Let's see how I get on. Climb it up. And that's my car there. There. So, still going. As you can see, I'm almost at the apex of the mountain. See my legs. As the terrain into nothing. I'm prepared. With my proper shoes. God. This is hard. So the minute I can hear you beep, and look at how steep this is. I'm going to attempt. I hear beep here. Oh, I need to be careful. Else I might slip. And it's all there it is. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it. There. Oh. There's somewhere. Let's see. Boys here. Finally. I have retrieved it. Look where we are. All for beautiful scenery. I almost lost my boy. So it's very interesting how I had to climb, God knows how many feet up here to retrieve my drone. God, I probably need a Mini2 Pro, but I'm just gonna take the scenery in. God is beautiful here. And the drone is still beeping. My car is all the way there. It's gonna take me another, 50 minutes to hike down. So let the journey begin. Found a track I can trace, but this track looks like it's going up and out. I want to descend, so probably gonna take a detour here. Oops. Oh no, it looks like a valley, a waterway. But yeah, I'm just gonna descend with it. God gracious. Oh man, my feet. Oh. Something like that. Far away, still far from my car. Well, let's keep going. Hopefully we'll get there soon. I made it 2 hours just to get all the way up there to retrieve my drone. I even got a Horn souvenir. 2021 has not been my year.
But yeah, it's summer in Scotland. What can I say? It's been real. It's been Daysack retrieving his drone. I'm out.